Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, in this video, I want us to review a survey site which is claiming to give free $5 upon just signing up on their site. And without wasting time, I want us to go to that particular site. It's called ClearVoice.com. I want us to sign up and then see whether when we follow the three steps that they provide here, we are going to get that particular $5 reward. We want to see whether it's real or it's just a promotional clickbait. So let me click sign up, join now. Let me put my email here. So they say that providing cell phone number allows a person to participate in highly paid surveys over $200 projects requiring telephone interviews. So let's click continue. And we are in. So this is just a normal survey profile. Let me try to fill it quick and see whether you're going to get that particular $5. So they say that I'm all set. So thank you for joining ClearVoice. We're so glad you're here. To earn your first $5 in 5 minutes for joining, just click the community home button below and then complete the welcome survey card at the top of the page. It will take 5 minutes tops. So let's do exactly that. So let's click community. So community home button, let's click this one and then the follow instructions as given. So once you do that, we're supposed to do what? To complete the welcome survey here for $5. So this one. So let's try and see whether it's possible. I want to see whether their claim is true. I'm very curious to see whether I'm going to get the reward. Still loading. So the survey has opened. Let's see whether I'll be able to complete it and get the $5 reward. So unfortunately, the survey is closed. It has reached its goals and it has been crossed. So guys, we are not lucky. Seems the survey which gives $5 is no longer working. So you can comfortably say that that $5 claim is not true. And maybe those people who registered when the quota was not reached enjoyed that particular bonus. But all in all, they look like a decent survey site which pay people by doing surveys and so much forth. But remember, before even starting working on this particular survey site, it's always good to complete your profile, you validate your phone number, you validate your email, and complete the welcome survey. So I want us to go through all this process and see whether you're going to get any survey. Remember this survey, it has reached its quota. So once we clicked it, we got the notification that the survey is no longer available. So let me go through the profiles. I completed the profiles. There are so many of them. I don't know if I will be able to do it. Yeah, the profile, there are so many. Let me validate my phone number, the things which I can be able to do now. So this is my phone number. So let me verify my phone number. And I'm using kitesim.net to get the code. I'm using this one, this site here for the SMS. So this is the SMS, this is the number 27038. So our number is verified. Yeah, just like that. Then we go back, verify our email. So let me check my email, my inbox, and verify the email. Now I have gotten my email here. So let me let me now paste it here and verify. So I have verified my phone number, I have verified my email. I'm curious to see how this site works. I think in the next video I'll give a feedback whether I was able to complete a survey from them. But they require a phone number verification, email verification, and also they require you to do what? To complete your profile. Yeah. So that's whether you get to the first survey after doing all that. So even that survey is also closed. I think now the secret for me to getting more surveys on ClearVoiceSurveys.com is by completing my profile. I haven't completed any part of my profile. So the only thing I can do is to complete a profile, and I think I'll do that, and then I'll do another follow-up video after I've completed all my profile, and I'll tell you guys whether I was able to get surveys on my account. But this video main purpose was to see whether I can be able to get the $5 bonus. But from the video we have seen that $5 bonus for sign up bonus is no longer available, because that particular survey now is done what? Has been closed. So if you sign up now, you won't get the $5 bonus even if you complete that particular survey. And you can see that the minimum cash out is $10. Yeah. And I'm sure they support various payment options. So in my next video, I will have completed all the profiles, all my profile details, and I'll tell you guys whether I was able to get surveys. Yeah. And the main payment option is Amazon and Walmart gift cards. So I'm very, very curious to see whether if I complete those profile details, I'll be able to get surveys. I cannot be able to do that profile details on this video because the video will be too long. So as I said earlier, watch out for my follow-up videos for ClearVoiceSurveys.com and see whether I'll be getting and see the results later, whether I was able to get more surveys after completing all my profile details. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep it shocked to my next video.